General Knowledge Class 3. Today we are going to learn Lesson 7, World Currencies. The name of the lesson is World Currencies. So children, what do you understand by currencies? What is that currencies? Currencies is a form of money. Currency is a form of money. It is the name of money. In simple words, you can say it is the name of money. Like yours name, no? Same way, money also have different names in different countries. In different countries, money is called in different names. Like in United States, the name of money is United States dollar. In United States, the name of money is United States dollar, or you can say US dollar also. U stands for United and S stands for States. So it is said to be US dollar also. Then euro. Euro is the name of money. It is the form of money in France. Euro is the form of money in France. Then pound sterling. Pound sterling is the name of money in United Kingdom. It is the name of money in United Kingdom. So currency is nothing. It is a form of money that is used in a particular country. Each country has its own currency. So here I had given some questions from your book. First question is, what is currency? What is currency? Currency is a form of money that is used in a particular country. Currency is a form of money that is used in a particular country. Its own currency. Each country has its own currency. Each country has its own currency. I repeat the answer. Here some words are missing. So you have to write carefully. Currency. Correct the spelling of currency. CURRENCY. Currency is a form of money that that is used in a particular country. The next line you have tried. Each country has its own currency. So each country has its own currency. Question 2. Write the currency of the following countries. So here country and currency is written. One side country name is given and the other side currency of that country is given. Number 1, India. Number 1, India. So what is the currency of India? Indian rupees. Indian rupees. Number 2, USA. USA. USA means United States of America and the currency is US dollar. Number 3, United Kingdom. United Kingdom and the currency is pound sterling. Pound sterling. Number 4, France. Number 4, France and the currency of France is euro. Currency of France is euro. 5, Switzerland and currency of Switzerland is Swiss francs. Swiss francs. 6, Japan and the currency is Japanese yen. Japanese yen. 7 is China and the currency is yuan. The currency is yuan and renminbi. Renminbi. 8, Russia. Russian ruble. Currency of Russia is Russian ruble. And 9 is Kuwait and currency is Kuwait dinar. Currency is Kuwait dinar. So you have to listen the video carefully and learn the name of countries and their currencies. Do these two questions in your GK copy. Write lesson name, lesson 7, world currencies. Then write down these two questions. What is currency? And write the currencies of the following countries. That you have to learn also. Every day after writing you have to learn your answers. Thank you.